Hi, in this video we are going to see the All India PhD Entrance Test, that is PET, conducting by one of the state university guys. And here the eligibility is only post graduation, and the total number of vacancies are 374 from the 20 subjects guys. So really it will be a very good news to the candidates who are looking for the PhD admissions in the state university. Okay, so if you are having only post graduation, then you can get the PhD by clearing the written test as well as the interview. Or else if you are having some other national eligibility test type of qualifications are there, then you will be directly go for the interview. That means there is exemption of the exemption from the written test is there. Okay, so please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this notification, and give me one like to this video guys. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is one of the state university from Jharkhand guys. So Binod Bihari Mahato Koyalanchal University from Dhanbad. So from this one here we got the notification guys regarding the PhD entrance test and the PhD admission, and you may check down. So here the email ID is also provided. Applications are invited from eligible candidates for the PhD entrance test PET 2021 as per the scheduled below. Starting date to apply online is 21st June 2021, and the last date to apply online is 26th June 2021, and the submission of hard copy of form with requisite documents is 28th June 2021. And coming to the payment of fees, general or the OBC candidates 1000 rupees through online guys. SC, ST, PH and VH 500 rupees through online. And for details of the eligibility and other terms and conditions, subject wise availability of the seats etc., all concerned are advised to visit the official website of this one. So here I am going to show you all the details guys. So it is one notice released by the university, and the another one is this one guys, regarding the rules for conduct of PhD entrance test from this university. Okay, so here I will show you whatever the subjects are there. So applicants fulfilling the eligibility criteria as per the UGC and seeking admission to the PhD program of this university shall be required to take qualifying examination, which will be termed as a PhD entrance test. The purpose of qualifying examination is to identify those students who are qualified and have the aptitude to work towards the PhD degree. This examination shall test basic competency of the applicant across broad range of relevant topics. And the conduct of PhD entrance test, the university shall conduct the PhD entrance test in the following subject for admission to the PhD program. So first, Faculty of Humanities, English 47 vacant seats, Hindi 23, Philosophy 42, Sanskrit 16, Urdu 6, Bengali 9, Art and Culture no, Foreign Language no, Regional Language no, and Anthropology no, Economics 19, Geography 18, Home Science 6, Political Science 47, and Psychology 18, Sociology 5, and Management Studies 2. Faculty of Sciences, Physics 35, Chemistry 18, Botany 7, Geology 0, Mathematics 11, Zoology 23. And coming to the Faculty of Commerce, Commerce 20 and Business Management 2. And in the Faculty of Education, Medicine as well as the Law also, here the PhD vacant seats are there. And it is noted that MBA, MA Public Administration, MA Human Rights, MA Rural Development, and MA Jyotirlingan and Jyotir Vigyan, okay, and MCA, MSc Biotechnology and MSc Computer Science shall be eligible to apply for the PhD research program in the subjects Commerce, Political Science, Sociology, Anthropology, Sanskrit, Mathematics, Botany and Physics respectively. Okay. And coming to the educational qualification, the candidates must require only the post graduation guys with 55% of marks and 50% of marks for the SC, ST and the PWD candidates. And candidate can also apply for the test under result awaited category. That means if he or she is appearing or else appeared in the final year or final semester where semester system is operation of master's or equivalent degree examination during the session. So these candidates also have to apply, but you have to submit the necessary proof. Okay. And age and relaxation, there is no age limit, guys, and the syllabus is given in the individual university or the department. Mode of written test is 200 marks of written test. Okay, 3 hours of duration. Okay, and in one paper in one sitting. So 200 marks is categorized into Group A and Group B. And Group A is research methodology and Group B is your core subject, guys. Okay, and interview, candidates will be selected for PhD program on the basis of both written test and the Viva voice. Candidates who are exempted from the PET as per the clause 3B of PhD regulation 2019 will be directly called for the interview. Fine. And examination center, the university itself. And how to apply means candidates are required to apply PhD through the online mode, guys. So it is the online application form. For applying the online, it is a website. I will provide this link in the description box of this video, guys. And the application fee, as I already told you. And where to send the complete online submitted application form means the online submitted application form duly completed with the requisite enclosure should be sent to the Controller of Examination, Binod Bihari Mahato, Koilanchal University, Dhanbad, by hand or else by post. Fine. And enclosures, what are the enclosures has to be put? So all these things are mentioned here. So you check down, guys, the qualifying marks and the publication of result, validity of the PhD entrance test. Okay, all these things are mentioned. So finally, it is a PhD admission notification from this Jharkhand State University, guys. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues, and please subscribe my channel to get the more notifications, and then tap the bell icon and give me one like to this video. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the Plus subscription and second one is the Iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the Plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the Iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the Plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the Iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the Plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge per 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250. And for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.